Hi, I'm Satoka. I'm in the city center right now. Tomorrow is the King's Day in the Netherlands. So in this video, I'm going to show what's gonna happen in Wageningen on King's Day. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Bye! So now I'm going to buy something orange with my friends at Action. So here is orange things, wow, but almost empty. Buy anything at Action, it's almost empty, so we decided to go to Blocker. Oh, there is, oh, here is something orange. Ta-da! Ta-da-da. Oh, we found something orange at Blocker, but we still want to find more nice one. So we're going to go to Hema. Hema. But this is for kids. This is for kids.
Oh, this is so cute.
Girl. Hoop, Holland hoop. Brass bar selfie stick. Oh, this is selfie stick. Active.
上面有个什么？上面有个 T-shirt.
Ah, armband. What's that?
Ah, it's nail.
Oh, this is also nail. Okay. Yeah. Wow, there is also eyelash as well. Orange eyelash.
Wow.
It's so funny. There is a fire. My friend says I have to go to see the fire. So I'm going to go to Ariane right now. Let's go. Wow. Adding new one to keep fire burning. Lots of students. We are on the way home. Mark. Where's Mark? Hey.
You can record me. I like it.
Yeah. Hi. Dutch flag. Morning star. Raining, sadly. Yeah.
Watching on still there with you. Got highways and byways, be there with you. Over and over, the only truth. Everything comes back to you.
Wow, smells good. What's this? Zoethout. Plate.
Dutch coffee. Dutch coffee.
Or cake. Mint tea. At the end, I bought this orange one, and now the weather is really nice and they already started cleaning up, but it's really nice to be able to come to city center today on King's Day.